Good morning, class. Okay. You remember last time we were discussing about pronouns, and we gave various definitions or examples of pronouns. To begin with, we know that a pronoun is a part of a speech that replaces a noun. It helps to reduce the monotony of using nouns repetitively in any particular sentence. Okay? So we discussed about personal pronouns. We have discussed about indefinite pronouns. We've discussed about interrogative and reflexive pronouns. And today we are going to be dealing with demonstrative pronouns. Okay? So a demonstrative pronoun, as the word demonstrate indicates, is used to single out or point out a person or an object. Okay? So examples of such pronouns include this, that, we have this, we have that, we have those, and we have these. Okay? So whenever you're trying to point out to something that is close or something right where you are, okay, we are going to be using, you use this and these. Okay? This is my pen. Okay? These are my learning instruments, or in my case, my teaching instruments. Okay? If you're indicating something that is far, at a distance, okay, you're going to use the words those and that. That is my car. That is my cow. Those are my cars. Those are my cows. Okay? You will remember that whenever you're using this and that, those are used whenever you're using singular nouns. Okay? These and those are used whenever you're using plural nouns. Okay? So we'll discuss slowly as you write the following. Okay? So as I've mentioned, a demonstrative pronoun is used to So demonstrative pronouns are used to point out persons or things. We have our examples that include this, that, those, and these. Okay? Point number one. Point number two. These and these are used to point out that are in immediate proximity. Immediate proximity. So immediate proximity generally implies to they are near. Okay? So for example, we can have the following. This is my car. Okay? In its plural context, we'll have it as these are my cars. Full stop. Those are examples of how you're going to use demonstrative pronouns that talk about something that is in immediate proximity. Next, we have those those, and that are used to point out persons or things that are farther away. So I'll still use the example of cars so that I can relate in a context that is easy to understand. So I'll use it as this. So I'll write here examples. And we have those are my cars. In its singular form, we'll have that. That is my car. Full stop. Okay. Remember, this, as a reminder, this and that are used for singular nouns. These and those are used in a plural context, okay? Okay. I hope you've comprehended what we're talking about. So I will give you a small exercise that will help you grasp what you have been discussing in our lesson today.